Hello and welcome back to Side High Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you to make an infrared flashlight by modifying a regular flashlight by removing the LED and replacing it with an infrared LED, so that way you can be able to use this flashlight to shine invisible light that will be perfect to use for night vision cameras. Let's get started. These lantern-type flashlights are usually very bright, and that's because of the large reflective area that's inside of the flashlight. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this infrared LED and replace the regular LED that's inside. And as you can see, when I turn it on, it's actually very bright with the regular LED. And now, imagine with the infrared LED. Let's get started. First, what I need to do is open up the flashlight. And here's the battery. Good, put that to the side. What I need to do is I need to remove this panel that contacts the battery, so that way I can be able to access the circuit that is inside. And there we go. And here's the circuit. And as you can see, it's a very simple circuit. All it is just an LED and a 12 ohm resistor. Very simple. Next, what I need to do is desolder everything that is on the circuit. I'm going to start desoldering the 12 ohm resistor first, and remove it, and replace it with a 6 ohm resistor. Solder it into place. Cut off the excess. Next, what I need to do is I need to desolder the anode portion of the LED by removing this little piece here. And there we go, just like that. And now I have access to the LED. So now I need to desolder the LED. And now finally, I can remove the LED. Next, I'm going to replace the LED with this infrared LED, and of course place the leads in the correct position where the anode goes to anode and the cathode goes to cathode. And now solder it into place. Cut off the excess. And now take this anode piece and put it back into place, and then resolder it back into place. And now take this anode piece and resolder it back into place. And there we go, just like this. And there, the circuit is now complete. Next, I'm going to take the circuit and put it back inside of the housing. Place it right here and it doesn't fit. Well, what I need to do is I need to go and modify this housing so that LED can fit. I'm going to take this small drill bit and then the larger drill bit and gradually make the hole bigger, so then that way the LED can be able to fit. Starting with the small drill bit, make the hole a little bit bigger, gently. And now take the larger drill bit and gently make the hole a little bit bigger. Perfect. Next, I need to clean up the debris. Next, I'm going to push out the reflector and the plexiglass cover. Open it up and clean out the debris. And there, nice and clean. Put everything back together, just like this. And now, finally, I can take the circuit and put it inside. And now, the circuit fits. And now take the battery connector, place it back onto the housing, screw it into place. And there you have it, the project is now complete. And there you have it, now I've made an infrared flashlight. Turn it on, and you can be able to see the infrared light through the camera. Now I'm going to go and switch my camera into night vision mode so that way we can be able to see it better. And there, it's nice and bright. Very nice. Now, let's see how this looks in the dark in night vision mode. And now I'm in the dark with my camera switched to night vision mode, and now let's go ahead and turn on this infrared flashlight and see how this looks in the dark. Turn it on, and now shine the light, and as you can see, it works. You can see how it can focus its light on different areas and light up different areas in infrared light. Looks very nice. And now I want to make another test by using a full spectrum camera and see how that looks in the dark. And now I've switched over to the full spectrum camera. Now let's see how this looks in the dark with using the infrared flashlight, with using a little bit of ambient light also in the room, and as you can see, it lights up pretty well in the dark. You can see the infrared flashlight shining on different objects and being able to reveal the objects. Pretty nice. Now turn it off, and this is how it looks. Big difference, as you can see. So now I'm going to go and switch off this ambient light to be able to make it completely dark in the room. And using the flashlight, you can be able to see how well it works. Standing from far, it lights up everything very well. I'm able to focus the light on different objects and at different positions. And as you can see, this infrared flashlight can focus its light pretty well, and standing from far, it actually lights up everything very faintly, which is very good. But in my opinion, it's not bright enough. Still good for something very simple and very cost effective, but in my opinion, not quite bright enough. And there you have it. Now you know how to make your very own infrared flashlight by taking a regular lantern flashlight and replacing it with an infrared LED. And there you have it. Thank you for watching SciTech Tech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course click on the bell icon to be notified for future SciTech Tech videos. Till the next tech, goodbye.